There are types of fasting, 4 of them. Voluntary recommended, like to fast every Monday and Thursday, the 13th, the 14th, the 15th of lunar month, on the day of Arafah, if you're not a Haji. Ashura, with days before and after it, recommended, the 6 days of Shawwal. We call this voluntary fast. Why it is voluntary fast, brothers and sisters in Islam? Meaning, if you do it, you get rewarded, and if you do not do it, you don't get nothing, and you're not guilty. So this is the voluntary fast. طيب, the other type of fast is mandatory, meaning one have to do it. And it can be mandatory because of the time, like fasting Ramadan. It is mandatory because of the actual time, fasting the month of Ramadan. And mandatory because you made it mandatory upon yourself. You made it mandatory upon yourself, like you can see here, like you vowing, not vowing to fast, vowing to fast on a certain day if a wish or a desire is fulfilled. And the third type, mandatory because of the kafara, expiation, or you're making up missed days from Ramadan. It's mandatory because of that. So you made it mandatory upon yourself. طيب. The third type, it's actually makruh, meaning it's disliked. It's disliked to single out Saturdays. But again, brothers and sisters in Islam, if one day like Arafah or other days coincide with Saturdays and Fridays, what is meant here that you single out Saturday and Friday with fasting. I'm fasting because it's Saturday. You're getting that? I'm fasting because it's Friday. It's highly disliked in Islam to do that. But if days fall on this day, that's fine, inshallah. The fourth type, which is unlawful, haram, and we have 3 types there: fasting the days of Eid, or fasting on the days of Tashriq, the 11th, the 12th, the 13th. And a sister who is going through her monthly cycle, she is fasting. That's haram to do that. طيب, these are, again, we're reviewing. This is all revision. We kind of talked about this in details, inshallah.